Welcome back everybody to Counting Money. I'm your host Nippon, and I'm going to show you how you can install WordPress in your cPanel subdomain. So let's get on with it. Alright, first you gotta open your browser and type in your domain and then type in cPanel and /cPanel in front of it. Then you want to go for this unsafe site. It is safe, but I don't know why Chrome is taking it for unsafe. And then you gotta log in and I'll meet you on the dashboard. Alright, so as soon as you get to the dashboard, you're gonna have to go down until you see Softiculous app installer. Then click on WordPress. Now you want to click on install now. Choose the latest version or whichever version you want. Okay, so after taking the version, you're gonna have to go for either HTTPS with www or HTTP with www. So I'm going with HTTP www because I don't have any SSL certificate for this subdomain. So now I'm gonna go here, find my subdomain. There it is, countingmoney.hohomedia.com. I can show you how it looks right now. Okay, so that's how it looks without any WordPress installation. Now I'll go here. It's already set it. I want my blog, my WordPress blog. Password is pass. I'll just copy it. It's always going to be the admin, but if you want to change it, you can change it to anything you want. Language should be English, and then I'm going to go straight for installation because all the other settings after language you can just change it through WordPress itself. Okay, so after the loading is done, after the installation is done, it will put you on this page where you can use this link to actually go for your own website. You put it WordPress in, and this is how it looks. Hello world, my blog, my WordPress blog, and it was showing there. Okay, so now I'm gonna go for admin login. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how you can log into your WordPress admin. So what you're gonna type in is /wp admin. Okay, so it was same as admin, and the password was, I copied it. Okay, so after you do, it's gonna put you here on the dashboard. Okay, so this is it for this video, and today I showed you how you can install WordPress through your cPanel into your subdomain. For any other ideas about some specific videos, you can comment down. And please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and that is it for today.